Do 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 do. He's the big engine, green as three. He's number 3 and green as can be. His name is Henry. Something down the line, pulling coaches or trucks. It's just fine. Once in the tunnel, now out again. Henry will be your best. Henry, what are you doing? Oh, hi, Gordon. How do you even have a model? Carsity made one for me. When? A few hours ago. Wow, Carcity's good. Do not mention that I was also made. Oh, hi, Rebecca. Hi, Gordon. Hi, Henry. Oh, hi, Rebecca. Have you all been training for the big race coming up this Saturday? What big race? I never heard of that. But by the way, did my new sunglasses come? No. Why would I come all the way here to just tell you that your sunglasses came? Well, they're very top of the line glasses. Yes, but really, sunglasses, I don't like them. Gordon! Well, what do you mean about a big race coming up? I mean, I'm a number 3, but big races, I'm not good at big races. Okay. Remember the big race that's coming up? Oh yeah, I saw it on TV. So did I. What kind of TV? That TV. Wow. That is a big TV. Answers your question? Yes, Rebecca. So, who are the other teams? Well, there are the truck buffies. You'll stare at us for hours without moving an inch. No, trucky buckies. Yes, Percy. Why do we even have to do this? I wanna. Thanks a lot, Frankie Panky. Hey, don't call me that. They're idiots. I know. They're really terrible. They're awfully going to lose. By the way, how on earth are they supposed to win on Earth? And there's also the branch line buffers. Okay, now people, we need to get to work. We need to train. Yum, yum, mum. Wah. Percy, what is it? I'm a baby. Percy, what did I tell you about acting like a baby? Come on, Thomas. We all need to eat each other. Toby, what do you mean eating? I mean that I'm hungry. Oh yeah, Percy? Yes? Can you get us some McDonald's? Why? Because I'm hungry. And me too. Shut up, nobody cares about you, Toby. Anyways, can you get us some? Why me? Because you're the child of the franchise, pretty much. Hey, I'm not that big of a child. You are in the CGI series. Now go order. But I want Chick-fil-A. Just order yourself some own Chick-fil-A. Fine, Thomas. To think you're my best friend and I have to be slaved by you. Wow, they do not get along well. To think they're called best friends. They are to think they're best friends in the television series. Hello, I'd like to order some. Hello, is this Chick-fil-A? Yes. I'd like to order one medium-sized waffle fries, some 4-pack chicken nuggets, and a spicy sandwich. Yes, that'll be $5. Thank you. Now to McDonald's, where I almost got arrested for just accidentally mispronouncing it. Hello, is this McDonald's? Yes. I'd like to order 1 milkshake and cake and pop cake, a coffee, and a soda, your chicken nuggets, and french fries. Yes, that'll be $12. Thank you. Perfect. I got. How much did our food cost at McDonald's? $12. Fine. Use the money to pay for the food. Ding dong. Oh, I'll go get it. Where even is the door here? What is this? It's my Chick-fil-A. But you said this was our McDonald's. Well, you didn't say that I could get this confused. And not to mention that Terrence is the judge. Bugga booga 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 boog. A bagga beeg. Bagga booga 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 beeg. Bagga booga 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 bagga boog. Very interesting. Yes, very, very interesting. Oh, and by the way, I think you look nice in those sunglasses. Thank you, Gordon. But I thought you said you hated sunglasses. I did wear one sunglass in my old rock guitar band. Which one was it? Rocking on the Rails. Oh. What else were you expecting? The Groovy Brothers from VeggieTales? Oh, don't even mention VeggieTales anymore. Anyways, I feel the sense that I have to help somebody. Oh, you're a superhero? No, Rebecca, I'm not a superhero. Yeah, okay. Annie, how could you? What? How could you eat my food? I'm hungry. So am I. I'm here. Oh, Gordon, thank goodness you're here. I am not Gordon. I am Greg. Well, Greg, can you please help us solve our problem? What would that be? Our problem is that Annie ate my food. I'm hungry. So if you want food, here, buffalo wings. Thank you, Gordon. Hum, 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 hum. Well, anyways, guys, we have to train. Well, yeah, we have to train because I'm a training simulator. Get it? Get it? Get it? Good? Get it? Good? Get good? No gags. Anyways, let's get to work. We are training, flying high into the sky, going fast on the ground. We are training, Henry, stop looking at your forest online on YouTube. We are training, Rebecca, your hat won't come here until next week. Rebecca, what is it? I never get a hat. I hate hats. Hats are too disrespectful to me. How can they be disrespectful? I don't know. Just think of something. Oh. But you look good in a hat. I'd look better in sunglasses. Ugh. The day came of the race. So where on earth is Gordon? I hear he might be getting something. Here, I got you these sunglasses. Ah! Gordon, why on earth would you do that? Because she would bother me in the entire race. Hello, everybody. We are going to be doing this. We are racing! Yay! We have the audience, and we also have a special guest, CCJ! We don't need to interview you because you're just a simple statue under a fairy ship. Hey. Anyways, the audience, do you want to eat anything? Buffalo wings! Yeah, buffalo wings! Yes, I shall be ordering them soon. Now let's get racing. We have the truck buffers, the branch line buffs, and the main line and the tender trenders. Okay, do as I tell. First up is Thomas, Gordon, and Frank. Very weird. I don't even get to choose. Now, okay, little Thomas, after all we've been through, I think it's time to show who's the fastest blue engine on Soda. Oh, I'll give you a Cinder and Ashes. Oh, Oh, you have to be giving me up. Give me a push, Percy. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Wahoo! Hey, Percy, give me another push. I win! How did you even do that? I invented the laws of physics. Duh. Ugh. Percy, give me buffalo wings. Okay. I didn't mean it like that. There. Hey, Gordon. Hi, Thomas. Let's have a bargain. Whoever wins has to do something. Okay, if you lose, you have to act and all engines go as filler for the rest of your life. But if you lose, you'll have to pull the garbage train for 10 years. What? Deal. Yes. Henry. Yes, Gordon. The fandom will never agree. You are so mean, Gordon. Next race is Rebecca versus Rebecca, Percy, and Carly. Oh, yay! Another girl in the race. A girl is in the races. 3, 2, 1, go! Go, Percy! Go, Percy! Go, Percy! I'm going to make the mail proud because I am so loud. I'm going to pull the mail into town. Yahoo! And the winner is Carly. Thanks for the push, Toby. Now mention it. So the people will go loud. I'm going to hip hop. Rebecca, aren't you a streamlined box kind of engine from the Southern Railway? Yes. So why could you lose? You're a Southern Railway design. You're supposed to win. Gordon, you don't have to be so mean. And at least you got me my sunglasses, so thank you for that. Don't mention it. Gordon. Yes. Next race is Henry. Now, I want to fill you up with extra coal, just in case you run out. I'll never run out, Gordon. Not to mention he was the slow one in the franchise. We have Clive, Toby, and Henry. Okay, Henry, win! Thanks, Percy. Go! This is entertaining for the franchise. So, who do you think will win? Obviously, little Clive will. Yeah. Whoever passes the yellow marker wins. Yahoo! Woohoo! How is that even possible? Sorry, Thomas. Yahoo! And Henry wins. No! Come on, Thomas. It's not that bad. Oh, you don't know how it is because I was in this. Down the hills and round the world. All engines go. Good old Thomas classic. It's not a classic. Anyways, the moral of this is that you can always have a winner. That's not really a moral, Gordon. Well, it was just a short, okay? Yeah, and I'm gonna get myself a new job. That's the end of the video. Bye!